Well, it is 5:30 in the morning right now. 6 degrees with a wind chill of -3. And I got a dangerous Ford Ranger to cold start. And I also have to gotta take a quick crap. Oh, I'm gonna freeze my butt cheeks off sitting down. Listen to that exhaust. -6 degrees. Feels like -3. Let's let her blow. Truck. Got a heater in my truck and I'm off to the rodeo. Damn it. That is one smelly exhaust. Might be still smelling me. I don't know. Well, that's about it for this video. Fires right up. You can depend on your S10s. Frost ain't coming off worth a shit. Butt crack. Butt cheek.